Hello, in this video I want to teach you how to register with Forex Smart Broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select Forex Smart, and then click on Go to the website. You enter the website, and then click on the registration section. You enter the registration area. In the registration section, you choose whether your account will be personal or for a company. Then you click on Next. In the next section, you enter your email address, first and last name, mobile phone number, date of birth, and further down, you enter your country, city, postal code, and address. And note that Forex Smart does not provide any services for US citizens. In the next section, you confirm that you are not a US citizen by checking these two options and clicking Next. Finally, you choose your account type, which has Classic and Professional options. And further down, you select the currency you will work with, leverage, and whether you want to have an Islamic account or not. In the next option, if you have a referral code, you enter it here. If you don't have one, you can obtain it from our support team. And you check the website rule and click on I am not a robot. Your account has been created and you enter your username and password here. Then click on Go to Cabinet. Your account has been fully created, and to work with the Forex Smart website, you need to upload documents such as a passport, ID card, etc. Good luck.